Yellow. Soji. I watched your show yesterday where I don't even have much to say about you because you're more or less a closed book. You're a done deal. There's really nothing anybody can do about you. Your problem stems from childhood, Soji. I need to do something, guys. Your problem stems from childhood. You had a really troubled childhood. And that is why today you are a terrorist on this Facebook. You are a terrorist. So Jade won't play voice notes to Kwame. You don't know that all those voice notes you're playing, you're actually vindicating Kwame somehow. You are vindicating that girl. Soji, excuse me. I know you're gonna fight them. I've been waiting for it. It's gonna happen. Just like Mama It's the curse of fracas. But one thing you don't realize, Niwipe, I don't even know how to start with you, Soji. I don't know how to start with you. You are so evil. You went to a girl in time of distress. You talked to her, you gave her hope, you gave her comfort, all in the name of recording her. And you brought the recording on social media. Soji, you are evil. You now brought the recording out. You were playing the recording and manipulating that recording. Omo so gbogbo recording yẹn. Èyí tí mo gbọ́ lóru mọ́jú lélẹ́yìí o. Omo yẹn so. Omo yẹn so. Idowu Toyin, are you the person that sent your color to me? What's your network? You're saying you don't have. Let me check your name. You say you don't have data and you're about to go off. Hold on, guys. If you're the one that sent your color to me, I'm going to give you data now. Idowu Toyin. No, I can't find it here. I think it's an Abbey space. Hold on, guys. I want to give that lady data. Are you the one that sent your color to me? Guys, I know that color challenge is not easy, but I want you guys to try. There's actually a surprise, though. Idowu, you know, you're not the one. You're not the one. I think you're one of those ones You're not the one. If you were the one that sent your color to me, I would have given you data. Because I'm not giving data today, but I will give preference to those people. Soji, you came out and you were playing that girl's voice notes and twisting it. You see, you're so manipulative and you're so wicked. I heard you one day saying, Soji, that she's just doing empowerment. She's giving people money. She doesn't. I'm going to say this one in Yoruba so that you guys can hear. There's one idiot. You know I talk about him all the time, Soji. She's giving people money. She's just doing empowerment for some people. She doesn't know that there are some people you don't help. Blah, 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 blah. You don't know that some people are so, they have evil in their hearts or something, the way you put it, or they have evil pursuing them. And when you help them, you empower them, the evil will leave them and will come onto you. I'm like, look at this motherfucker. So me helping people, will have issues because I'm helping people. What about you that you're destroying lives on this Facebook? How many lives have you destroyed? Guys, hold on. I don't know. I want to check my goat's meat. How many lives have you destroyed on this Facebook, Soji? You that you are destroying people's lives. You are not going to meet your calamity. You are not going to meet your Waterloo. It is me that is helping people. Mommy Lushola Yusuf, thank you so much. It is me that is helping people that will meet calamity. It is me that is wiping away people's tears. Do you know how many people are waiting to be trained as a makeup artist? I'm going to train them as makeup artists. I'm going to send them for training as a caterer to do small chops. Somebody is going to go for training to learn how to do media. And then once they are done, do you know how many makeup a makeup artist will use 100,000 to buy. I don't know how much they sell makeup in Nigeria, but somebody goes in to learn how to do makeup, and she comes out, and I give her 100,000. Say, go and buy makeup, and start doing makeup at parties. Do you know how much money she will make if she goes to those parties? And are you telling me that by doing that, one calamity or the other will befall my enemy? It's not possible, Soji. In fact, whatever calamity was destined to come on me before I did that will do what? God will, because of that, take it away. Do you know how much I pray every day? But you on this Facebook, Soji, you have played people's voice notes. You have cursed people's children. You actually went into the river to go and curse Abike's children. You have brought out a pastor's nudity. You used your profile, Ayowolabi, to chat with a pastor in Nigeria, whom that one too thought he was doing, he was chatting with a girl. Eventually, you tricked that pastor into doing a video call with you, bringing out his penis. And you brought out that video on social media, and then you brought the man's picture out. So you, what reward are you going to get on this Facebook? Or is it me that is going to gather 10 people, 10 families this month, give them POSs, and then give them 50,000? Go and start your POS business. People come and withdraw money from you, give them. You take a bit of the commission. People come and pay their electricity bill, use this money. People come to buy a recharge card. Abbey, POS too sells recharge card. So if me, you are now sitting somewhere and you are hoping and praying that the good I'm doing on my platform to people, wiping people's tears away in Nigeria, will bring calamity. What is going to come upon you, Soji? You saw Kwame in a vulnerable state, hurt over what her godmother did, over what Dorcas porn star. You think Kwame's pain is coming from losing that woman? No. Kwame's pain is coming from the way she lost the woman. She lost the woman to a friend, somebody she confided in. When that girl's nudity surfaced on Facebook, Kwame cried like a baby. She cried in inboxes. She cried on her show. She came out, she fought relentlessly. And she was confiding in that person. She was confiding in Dorcas. All the things her godmother bought for her, or secrets, you know. And Dorcas laid in a corner, scheming, planning on how. Dorcas can kill a woman after collecting her husband if nobody will know. Only she can do it. Dorcas is sakpamo o she bi ore fun Kwame. Nton du Kwame niyen. Elo ni godmother ni. Ro ke boya mo nsoro sawon people yi mi o soro si won because mo te won ti e le fe mi ni ro owo to ma make a difference si mi anyway emi do pe won ti fun mi lowo gan mo ná millions lórí wall mi. Abele le ro ke monetization make. How much do you think we make? Ṣe be àwọn iwo ko to ngba o mo ye to ngba ni. To ma joko to ma ṣe to ma bayeje. What is painful to Kwame is the way that thing happened, and the way everybody around Dorcas is manipulating and lying and twisting things, including Dorcas herself. You went to Kwame too. And this is what you do all the time, Soji. This is what you do. You pretend to be a friend. You go in, you try to get close to people in their most vulnerable states. Meanwhile, you are shopping for things to use against them. When they no longer, all they need to do is make one tiny mistake. You've done it several times. So what calamity will come upon you? You that make people cry. You expose nudities. This same Dorcas Stansoy, you've exposed her nudity online. You read out chats. You record people and you bring it. All those things are destroying. They've already destroyed your handle. Your handle is gone. Because by now, Soji, you should have a brand new car that would have been bought and handed over to you by one of your followers. You think people on Facebook don't have money? Monica, big man wife, Range Rover, brand new, cha-cha-cha, is what they bought for her. But you are still driving the same old 20-year-old Mercedes-Benz. Your Mercedes-Benz is 20 years old, this 2023. You're driving an old 3. A car that even London now, there are places you cannot drive that car to. Here in the UK, if your car is young, is older than 2014, there are some zones you can't go. This year, I am sure your car is going to be illegal to drive in London because it is polluting the whole of London. 2003, do you know the kind of emission it will bring out? Soji? 2003, ni moto e. On play, ọmọ yẹn dẹ̀ ń sọ nínú voice note yẹn wípé sẹ́, Mọ́mí Adébímpé ò sọ nǹkankan, wọ́n kàn sọ fún un kóhun dákẹ́ ni, ìwọ ni wọ́n ń kọ́ ni, onémi náà wà lára àwọn tó ń kọ́. So tí ẹ lè bá ọmọ ayé jà, Sọjí. Ó ṣe jẹ́ wípé tó bá ti sọ pé ó máa ṣe nǹkankan láyé yìí, ó prove àwọn èèyàn wrong yìí. Ó máa ṣe ṣáánà. You are so predictable. Oh, yeah, his car is 20 years old. Have you ever heard it before? In Dobodo, I can understand in Nigeria where there is hardship and you guys are struggling. So G in this UK is driving a 2003 BMW. My 17-year-old son here that is learning to drive, he will never collect. I cannot even buy it. Where will you even see it to buy itself? If you want to buy a 2003 car now in the UK, I don't think it exists. If Soji's car develops any fault, there is no mechanic in this country that will fix it. The only reason why that car is still running is because it's a BMW. You know they're powerful cars. Ìwọ nìkan lórí Facebook yìí ló rí ṣe. Because tó bá jẹ́ pé orí ṣe ni, kò yẹ kó ṣì máa lọ wá trailer lálalẹ́. Ó yẹ kí platform ẹ ti gbòòrò débi pé kó máa pọ owó fún ẹ báyìí gbọ́. Ó ṣì máa bully o. Ó ṣì máa bully gan. Because there's something tó ṣẹlẹ̀ séèyàn kan lórí Facebook yìí. Tó yìí ń bò máa bẹ́. Tó ní tọ̀hún yẹn tó bá dé stage pé kò lè bò máa bẹ́ mọ́. Tí ògo yẹn bá wá búyọ báyìí. Ìwọ yìí ń bọ̀ àbúlì ẹ̀. Èèyàn kan tó dẹ̀ ti bully rí ni. Nobody wants to associate with you. Nobody associates with you from morning till night and finds joy. Because right from Kekere, Lotini troubled life. Straight from the heart, I want you to go and look for one of his shows. You can analyze. I've been watching your shows now for the past 2 days. And you can analyze. Go and look for, ask one of your bloggers to help you look for one of his shows. Alelo she to gba to de láti bí iṣẹ́ tó máa ń jẹ̀bà àti yogurt yẹn ni. Ẹ lọ wá show yẹn kó tó gbé kúrò lẹ̀. Ó analyze bí life ń ṣe rí. Ó ní káwọn èèyàn wá kó wá sọ bí the way you were analyzing your own 2 days ago, I watched it today. You were analyzing your life, that how your mom would cook on Sunday. Choranti wípé ọbẹ̀ geisha tẹ́ bá fi jẹ ṣùkú, ẹ máa tẹ sórí rice. Lọ wá show Soji yẹn. Soji ṣàlàyé bóun ṣe dàgbà nínú ẹ̀. Ó ní tóun bá sùn jù wá náà, tóun bá jí wá náà, tóun ò bá jẹun wá náà, tóun bá jẹun wá náà, tóun bá sọ̀rọ̀ wá náà, tóun bá sọ̀rọ̀ wá náà. He was traumatized as a child, and that is why bó ṣe wà yẹn, he is not capable of loving anybody. He is only capable of destruction. And that is why lórí Facebook òun nìkan ni ò rọ́wọ́ mú. Because tó bá rọ́wọ́ mú ni, Soji, you shouldn't be driving a trailer at this stage. You are so evil, Soji. The same bullshit. Abike, on my play voice note. Abike, why don't you play a different record? Why don't you come with a different strategy? Your whole life, Soji, is playing voice notes, manipulating voice notes, lying to people's faces. Why are you so evil? Who made you the judge and the god of this Facebook, Soji? Who? You have no go-to move. You voice note law. In that voice note you were playing of Kwame, we could hear her telling you, pouring out, kini nkan to Kwame sọ nínú voice note yẹn tí ó ti sọ lórí show ẹ. I am not just one person that will say, Shebi, I told you. But I'm not going to say that. Because okay, maybe this your union with them will stick. But I am only thankful that now nobody will bully me because of you. Because back then, anybody that fights you must bully me. Anybody you fight must bully me because I was your PA, I was your admin. Soji, how do you feel that somebody who was once an admin under your platform has a platform of her own right now and is doing really well? Change your ways, Soji. You are one of the most evil, manipulative, wicked individual on this Facebook. I said, but the man get the right about to show for me. Soji, you are wicked. You are wicked. You swoop in like a hero. You swoop in as if you're helping. And then you know what? You destroy at the same time. I'm probably the only person who dealt with you that didn't leave room. There is nothing under your phone that you will play about me that I will not come here and debunk. You called my mother when she was upset, my 87-year-old mother. You pretended to be a friend. Welcome, DMA Records. Abbey is on Facebook. Abbey is in fracas. Mommy and Mabino, my mother poured her heart. She thought you were a human being. You recorded my mother and you are threatening me with my mother. What will you say? Kilo first sokuma. Shame your moyamini. And then my mother will cry. Is that what you want to come and play? But on this Facebook, your own father said that you are a killer of joy. To a stranger. KK was a stranger back then. Your father didn't know who was calling him. And that is exactly what you're doing right now, Soji. Ikanye Soji, you're a wicked soul. I've been waiting for this day. You know this why when I talk about you, I just say, Soji, my ex. Soji. You even went as far as saying, babe, me, I wanted to sleep with you. Do you want me to bring our chats when I came to London and I tricked you? And I made sure that I didn't see you until I was coming back to Glasgow. And as I was driving back to Glasgow, you text me, Abbey, you came to London without seeing me. I'll see you in Scotland. And I replied you, you're more than welcome in Scotland. But make sure you come with your wife and your children. Me, sleep with you. Are you mad? Oh, Womini. I was your PA for almost 2 years. I know what you can do, Soji. You called me one day and said you want to go and demolish BC's uncompleted building. BC that sells shower, that sells pala to raise money to buy a land and start building properties. And BC was building it to a level. You penetrated into BC's family so that BC's brother will show you where BC's uncompleted building is. And you called me that the guys you want to go and demolish, you want to send to go and demolish BC's sweat, wants to hear a lady's voice. That I will not be the one to pay. I should just say, I will pay, go and demolish it. You think I don't know that you want to set me up? If I had done that with you, today you will play that voice note that BC, Abbey wants to go and demolish. What did I tell you? I said, why do you want to demolish BC's building? Yes, BC is abusing me on Facebook. But is that enough for me to go out to say they should go and demolish her building, her sweat, and I do my own business? What on earth could BC have done to me to warrant me bringing down a hard-earned money? Mo sọ fún money Soji, kí ló dé tó fẹ́ wọlé BC? So fẹ́ wọlé yẹn lóòótọ́. Oni kò sọ fún wọn ni pé wọ́n ló máa sanwó. I know you are not going to demolish that building, but you wanted to set me up and keep it on your phone. Soji, you are evil. You can't shut Kwame up. If Kwame is keeping quiet today, it's because she wants to rebrand herself. And I pray and I hope we pay along my help Omonye. Because in actual sense, Omonye, her mind is so plain. Come and love blindly. The only fault Kwame has on this Facebook is loving blindly. When she loves you and she's supporting you, you ask her to go and eat poo, she will eat it. That has to stop, Kwame. Be your own person. Don't allow anybody to turn you, because this thing called Facebook, this thing called social media, this exposure we have opens up a world of opportunities. But all this evil that these people are doing, why is Soji still driving a 20-year-old car when me, Abbey, I've got 2 solid cars? Porn star is going to get a Lexus, even though she begged for it and cried for it. Alright, Salomo Latile. O man toro jenai. O shate shimani. So just sit down and ask yourself this question. Why on this Facebook you are the only one with 77,000 followers? Nothing. You are still driving truck. You still have to go at night to go and drive truck. You are still driving a 20-year-old car. Your car is disgusting because you're evil. Straight from the heart, go and look for that show. I don't have any issue with Omaye. The only issue I had with them was because I refused to disclaim you. They were my friends until Batoro Tunde Shele. Orotunde lo faja laarin emi ati mo. Me in any issue. Because of you, Abike several times o ta si mi lórí wall e to bu mi. Mo se be ni pe mi ò gbọ́ ni because mi mọ̀ pé o ṣe ń padà bọ̀ deal pẹ̀lú ẹ. But I'm not going to stay here and say, Alon lo mama ye. They will deal with you. The only shame is Teba to allow we back in again. It will be because enough is enough. How many times are you guys going to allow him into your midst? It's getting ridiculous now. It's getting silly now. Put him at arm's length once and for all. Even Kobere Simba and Tahiti Julaye Yija. Put him at arm's length. He's evil. He's a wicked soul. He is wicked. He wasn't raised with love. He was raised by his father and his father's wife. He was raised to be the omodo in the house. Omulon kole lon kobo boy, omulon jiya. To ba iti je won le Soji o le je. Won ron lo somodo ni bata lon ta. So he has bitterness in him. He is bitter. Play voice note, mom. See me to ba play ko ni da fun yala ya. Bàtà ló tàdàgbà wọ́n mú lọ sọ́mọ ọ̀dọ̀ ni bó de ṣe rí nsin tó kúrú báyìí imagine gbà tó kéré èṣù belekeni èṣù ni yes Millie Kings 20-year-old BMW as he's driving his coffin. A mission they are trying to get rid of in this UK. Soji is one of the reasons why it is not going, because his car is fucking disgusting. 20-year-old car. Do you know how much it costs to buy a car here? If I want to buy a brand new Range Rover today, 2024, the only thing that will delay it is the production time. I can buy it, and I'm a woman. And Soji is a man. His wife is a nurse. They have 2 incomes in their family. The wife doesn't drive. Why is Soji still driving a fucking 20-year-old car? Soji sells that car now. They will not give him money. He's the one that will give them money. Help me scrap this car. He has to pay. They won't pay him. No, nothing inside that engine is useful. Any BMW now that is in existence cannot use. Soji's car doesn't have spare parts. Kò ní spare parts. Mọ́tò Soji ò ní spare parts. Wọ́n lè rí ọmọ àlè ní Soji. Soji. Godmother. That is why 1.5 million ṣe lè jọ ẹ́ lójú. You are a fucking loser. You are a fucking loser. You are a wretched human being. I've been waiting for the day to ma fún ẹ jẹ. Mo fẹ́ ọjọ́ yìí ni mo ń wá. Èmi ò join àwọn ọmọ ayé láti bẹja. Oh, you thought I was going to start abusing them? Hell no. I'm not going to abuse them. The only group on this Facebook that can tolerate you, the only group, one of my bá wọn jà, ó dẹ̀ tún bá wọn jà náà ni. Ọmọ àlè ni ẹ́, ọmọ àlè. Soji. One bully Kwame. Oh, the love godmother now. You deserve her. You deserve her, you know. Stupid boy. Guys, let me go. These fracas people, they are so silly. They are so silly. You will stay in your house by yourself like this, thinking, where will I get 1 million to empower in February? How will I raise 750,000 to empower in January? You put on your Facebook, it's all rubbish. They have no usefulness. They cannot help anybody. They cannot empower anybody. They cannot take what they have and wipe away tears in Nigeria. You will see them coming out to castigate all of you in Nigeria as if they're not coming from that same Nigeria. Curses, abuse, lying, manipulation, twisting of things. That is all they are good at. They are just non-entities, stupid non-entities. Especially this Soji. And that is why on this Facebook he's the only one. And at the end of the day today, he has a court case. He has a court case for showing a woman's nudity online. Uponu shiradarada, ushirata marayo. Idiots. I'll see you guys then. Bye.
Come back. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye for now.